someone out there for me. I know she's waiting so patiently. Can you tell me her name? This lifelong search is gonna drive me insane. How does she laugh? How does she cry? What's the color of her eyes? Does she even realize I'm here? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is this beautiful girl? Who is she? Who is she? Who's gonna complete my world? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Who's gonna complete my world? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is this beautiful girl? Who is she? Who is she? Who's gonna complete my world? Where is she? Where is she? Where is this beautiful girl? Who is she? Who is she? Who's gonna take me so high?
Please welcome every girl's ultimate dream boy, the ultimate heartthrob, Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Thank you, ladies.
Sino dito ang gusto maka-gym date si Papa P? Dito tayo.
Join me here.
Pwede ba kami na lang?
Hi Megan.
Hello.
Hi Angel.
Hi.
Thank you, ladies. Wow. Alam nyo, grabe to experience na to, no? Gusto mo yung grabe. You know, definitely, that date would be an honor for me. And I'm so excited to meet my dream girl. Guys, ladies, sana isa sa inyo yun.
Ay, kasama kami?
Sana...
Kaya naman, girls, get ready para maging dream date ang ultimate heartthrob na si Piolo Pascual. All you need are the following. Kailangan nyo ng recent colored half-body picture, kailangan nyo rin ng sachet ng Pond's white cream, and personal information nyo written on a sheet of white paper with your name, age, address, telephone number, and of course, your choice of date na si Papa P.
Kompletuhin nyo na ang requirements and make sure to send it to P.O. Box 727 Araneta Center or drop your entry at the Pond's Dream Night booth at participating malls. Entries will be accepted until 5 p.m. of November 15 only.
November 15.
Yes.
Wow.
The lucky girl ay mananalo ng 100,000 at syempre ang special date kasama si Papa Piolo Pascual.
Okay no, okay, di ba guys? I'm telling you, that'll be a date you'll never forget. So ladies,
complete my world. Where is she?